Welcome to the video tutorial, How to Best Use the Search Box on MedlinePlus. This video is for you, the community health worker. It shares about a great, reliable website where you can find health information. This video shares about how to best use the search box in that great website. It's called MedlinePlus. When you use this one website, you can be confident that you are sharing health information that is accurate and reliable. They have already done the research for you and gathered the information that you need. Did you know that every MedlinePlus page has a search box you can use? You can find it in the upper right-hand corner. When you use the search box on the home page or any other page, you can search for information that is part of MedlinePlus. It does not search the internet. It searches only inside MedlinePlus, which is a trustworthy resource. As you start typing in the search box, you'll notice a word or words showing up. These are topics included in MedlinePlus. You can go ahead and select, or you can just keep typing in your words and search. For example, let's type in high blood pressure. As I type, you can see various words showing up under the search box, such as high blood pressure medicines, high blood pressure children. Depending on what you are searching for, you may want to select one of these, or you can just click the Go button and see what shows up. Let's say we just type in high blood pressure in the search box and click on the Go button. Please note that the search box is not case sensitive. You can write using capital letters or lowercase. Here you see search results similar to what you see when you do an internet search. Over 3,000 results. But know that these results are from within MedlinePlus, and that means the information is trustworthy. 3,000 plus results is a lot to look through. You can scroll through these results, or you can look at Refined by Format to save you some time. Let's take a look on the left called Refined by Format. Here it shows you if it is a PDF document, an image, or a video. Right next to each format, it tells you how many results are available in that format. So let's say you want information in a PDF sheet. Click on that and it will take you to a list of PDF documents. You can scroll and decide which one best meets your needs. For more information about searching, visit the MedlinePlus Search Tips webpage by going from the MedlinePlus home webpage. Click on the link About MedlinePlus, which is located just under the search box. Click on Using MedlinePlus on the left-hand side of the web page. And then click on Search Tips. Here you will see some helpful tips to improve your searches using MedlinePlus.